An eviction drive in Assam turned violent as a mob attacked police in village Kachutoli near Sonapur. At least 22 government officials and policemen were injured. In retaliation, the police personnel opened fire, leaving 2 dead and 11 locals injured. The encroached land is part of tribal belts in Assam and authorities allege it is occupied by illegal immigrants from Bangladesh.
As you are aware, during the last one and a half month, lot of people have tried to enter Assam from Bangladesh. And as Honorable Chief Minister has regularly tweeted, most of them have been pushed back by the effort of Assam Police and BSF. Now, we had this in mind that is there a situation where some of these people may have come here. So we started in consultation with the District Commissioner and keeping the Honorable Chief Minister and the government fully in the picture, we started an exercise of making an assessment.
Locals, on the other hand, claim they have been living in the area for years as bona fide citizens and have the required documents.
मतलब 9 तारीख से 9 से पहले से मतलब पुलिस वगैरह आकर माइकिंग एक बार किया कि यहाँ जो सरकारी मिट्टी है ये सरकारी मिट्टी से सब हट जाइए और हम लोग का मेदी मिट्टी है और कह रहे हैं कि अगर यहाँ मिट्टी सरकारी मिट्टी से अगर हट नहीं जाओगे तो सबको गोली काट देंगे मार देंगे। आप बताइए हम लोग तो और कह रहे हैं कि सब बांग्लादेश की है और हम लोग तो बांग्लादेश के है कि नहीं है नहीं हम लोग भारत की है।
One of the men who were killed was Haider Ali, an e-rickshaw driver. His parents allege the cops have killed an innocent.
কি হরা মতে লড়াটো 8টার সময় ওলাই গেছে ছাত্র নিয়ে স্কুলে আকো আইছে টমটম চালিয়ে গেছে আকো আইছে আকো ছাত্রের কাছে ছাত্র আনিছে আনি ফেলে রাস্তা দেখা পাইছে হাতে যায় আছে হাতে টমটম নাই আছে এই আস্তে সাইডে ঘরে গাড়ি খারাপ করেছে গুলি করে মারিছে আমি শুনেছি আর কি আমি যাওয়া নাই।
Locals claim even children and women were targeted and have suffered bullet and splinter injuries.
কালি মানে এইবিলাক যেন হৈছে আমি নাজানো যেন এনেকুৱা কৰিব কালি আহি কেনে মানে আহি কেনে ডাইৰেক্ট ঘুমাই দিছে গাড়ী বেছি আহি কেনে ডাইৰেক্ট ঘুমাইছে মানুহ মানে তাতে বস্তু মানে আগতো ভাঙিছে ঘৰ বাৰীবিলাক ভাঙি দিছে একো কোৱা নাই কিন্তু মানুহ যেন খাব বস্তুবিলাক খোৱা বস্তুবিলাকো তাহাঁতে একবাৰ মানে নষ্ট কৰি পেলাইছে।
The Chief Minister of Assam has claimed Bangladesh protest slogans were raised during the clash.
काल सोनापुर में हमारा एक ट्राइबल बेल्ट एंड ब्लॉक है। कांग्रेस का जमाना में ये ट्राइबल बेल्ट एंड ब्लॉक का कानून लाया गया कि ट्राइबल बेल्ट एंड ब्लॉक में एक श्रेणी का लोगों को सिवा और कोई भूमि में वहां बैठ नहीं सकता है। ट्राइबल अंडर प्रोटेक्टेड क्लास उनको ही वहां बैठने का अनुमति है, बाकी लोगों को बैठने का अनुमति नहीं है। तो ये गैर कानूनी था, हमने उनको एविक्शन किया। फिर कांग्रेस ने काल उनको बहुत सारा इंस्टिगेट किया कि आप लोग को एविक्शन नहीं करना चाहिए था, एविक्शन गलत है। तो ये जो एविक्टेड पीपल है पहले घर चला गया था उनका जो ओरिजिनल घर है, फिर वो लोग वायलेंट हो गया जब कांग्रेस ने इंस्टिगेट किया।
As per RTI information provided on 29th of August, when the Assam Assembly was in session, the particular circle officer of Kamrup Metropolitan and Sonapur Revenue Circle has categorically stated that there is no any encroachment on government land, government khas land, VGR, PGR, Satra land or wetland, anything.
We are in Kochutoli of Sonapur in Kamrup Metro District of Assam, not very far from Guwahati, and this is inside this village that since September 9th the authorities were carrying out an eviction drive against encroachment of what the government claimed were these lands which were part of tribal belts and blocks and therefore were reserved for tribal people. However, there were non-tribal people from a certain community living here, and the government had started this drive on the 9th of September. For the first 3 days, these houses which were here, which were which had encroached upon government land of the tribal belts and block, were evicted, people were evicted, the houses were demolished by bulldozers, and it was a rather peaceful process. However, yesterday there was trouble here. According to police, hundreds of people tried to attack government officials and police forces who had come here to evict people, and in that process at least 22 government officials including policemen have sustained injuries. They are under treatment in hospital.
This incident is a stark reminder of what happened in Assam in 2021. 2 were killed and 15 policemen were injured in clashes between alleged encroachers and police during an eviction drive in Assam's Gurukuti. It has brought to the fore one of Assam's most sensitive narrative, that is, indigenous versus illegal settlers. Now the question is, are poor people becoming the victims?